Live in Humacao, in a calm urbanization with security guard and communal park. The unit has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathrooms, living/dining room, patio with laundry area and a parking. 834 sq/ft and a lot of 422 sq/mt. Tile floors. The area is quiet, quick access to the PR3 and the Express. There is a school a few minutes away. Address: Arboleda E46 Calle 2, Humacao, Puerto Rico, 00791. The seller will not complete any repair of the property in question, even if the lender or the buyer requests it. The property is sold as is. Lot 18.098329, long, -65.831932. For more information on the property, contact us at 787-283-7573 and look at our alternatives in Humacao and